After a 3-day break, students are finally back to school in Boston. The roads still packed with snow, though, making the normal commute even slower through some of the more narrow city streets. Antoinette Antonio is live in Boston with how the mayor and city are handling the cleanup. Antoinette?
Well, Erica, as you can see, the snow is falling once again, and we all know that that doesn't help the traffic situation, but the mayor says things are getting better as each day goes on. Here's what the traffic looked like in downtown this morning. It was another morning of gridlock, but some say not quite as bad as yesterday. That's when some drivers, a 2-hour drive for them took a 20-minute drive for them took 2 hours yesterday. And the big problem here, the mayor says, is that crews are still working to clear snowbanks, those snowbanks that have reduced the amount of traffic lanes. And even the mayor says he got caught up in the traffic nightmare.
Inconvenient yesterday, absolutely. It took me a long time to go from City Hall to Copley Plaza last night for an event for the One Fund. But I think today, we got another shot at last night clearing some snow. Today was a little better, and by Monday we should be fully operational.
And as for those school buses that were back on the roads today, the mayor says things went smoothly. He didn't receive any reports of any issues with buses or with kids getting picked up. And he also wants to remind everyone to be careful later on today as the kids head home from school when they get picked up as well. He expects even more traffic. And on top of everything else, Boston Police says on Sunday, because of both the leftover snow as well as the Super Bowl, that you should keep an eye out for access and parking restrictions in several neighborhoods around Brighton, Kenmore Square, Faneuil Hall, as well as the North Station area. We're live in Boston. Antoinette Antonio, WCVB News Center 5.